How to use sliders to highlight your website's key features. Your website slider isn't just decorative, it's a tool to spotlight your most important offerings. Whether it's a product, service, testimonial, or announcement, Slider Revolution lets you showcase it with flair. Start by choosing or creating slides that each focus on a key feature. Use a bold headline, brief description, and a call to action button on each. With visual layering, you can also include icons, graphics, and background images that reinforce your message. The layout should be clean and easy to follow. Use contrast in text and background for readability. Animate the entrance of each feature layer for visual impact. Use navigation arrows or dots to help users scroll through each highlight at their own pace. Or enable autoplay for automatic cycling. Want a shortcut? Use one of Slider Revolution's feature highlight templates, available through the link in the description. By presenting your features in a slider, you avoid clutter on your homepage and guide users through a curated experience. It's like a tour of your best work, and it works well for service businesses, SaaS, and online stores alike. Make every slide count by focusing on benefits, not just features.